last year left these just after I finished the blocking, and now I'm beginning to build the body. This is more demanding, takes a little longer, so right now I need to do two things. First, because I want to get rid of these, we'll open the last of these ones that I haven't opened. So I have number 22. Let's get light. And it is, what is this? A little bat. 3. Oh, it's supposed to be here. It's supposed to be the, oh my gosh, I forgot the name. And 24. You know, I'm disappointed I didn't get 0. Okay, my battery's dying. Okay, with this I finished the last little bags that I have here. That's great. Okay, that will also clean some of my garbage, like this box and this other box. I will put this away. Next, let's get rid of this one. I need to fold or see what I need here. Okay, Chaser, we are done going outside. Now I need to iron all this. I have so much. Okay, I better take care of this.
He'll be walking like at a fast pace and he kind of looks like he's walking.
Been cooking my soup. It is ready. I just put a few seconds ago the leaf of the bok choy, so it's almost there. Everything else is good. I put also 2 little pieces of ham just to give a little extra flavor, and I will try a new miso. My husband got me this one, and it's saying for 1.5 of the soup at 2 tablespoons. So I have 4. So I need at least, it will be like 8 tablespoons, but I will go slow because this can get really strong. So let's get, I hope it's good. I need to, God, this goes really fast. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? I will just try with this for now. I will see if I need to add more. The other miso that I was using is a paste, so it's a little different, and it's actually darker. I don't know why being a white miso soup is dark, but this one is coming white like it's supposed to be. The other is a little more strong, I'm thinking. Oh man, it's so good. Okay, I'm not going to put more. This is so good right now, the flavor. We'll put only a few more seconds and we are done. So I like the flavor of this one, and only 4 tablespoons for what I have, so it's good. The other day I showed that I'm making also my lunch when I don't have leftovers, and this was one of the leftovers of that lunch that I did. So this is part of a chorizo that I took the skin, smashed, and I did like a hamburger there. And this is ham and cheese, and I did like a hamburger too. And this is just what rice. Since I didn't eat this, I think will be my lunch right now. And maybe with a little of the miso soup that I just made will be perfect. That's how I'm making my lunch. And that helped me to later at night don't feel so hungry. At work, this is the kind of meal that I'm having right now on my lunch. That is a little of the miso soup and whatever I put together, and I try to put also some salad, lettuce, or something like that when it's this kind of meal. Right now, I'm just showing you what it is, and this is more than enough for me to hold almost all day because my lunch is at 9 in the morning. I have to eat again very early, that usually is 4 in the afternoon, or sometimes a little earlier because I go to bed early to wake up the next day at 2:40. So I will eat this. I have my dishwasher on cleaning. I think I showed part of what I was doing. So it takes a long time. It's washing, cleaning. I was having like a bad smell no matter how much I clean. So I decided to do a very deep cleaning, and good thing, because when I watch a video I noticed that there was a part in the door that usually I don't clean. I didn't notice that accumulates so many stuff. So now it's cleaning, and I will have my lunch right now too. I have no blog a lot today. It is because I usually try to Saturday and Sunday do like home family stuff, but I've been doing more than anything some knitting or crochet. Then what else I did, I took a nice nap in the possible, because my dog doesn't let you sleep so much. And then what else, have a delicious dinner. My husband made a delicious steak. Right now we are having like a very strong wind, and I think, sorry, my husband is on the phone talking really loud, but anyway, we have a delicious meal that finished being so much for me, and I divided for 3 days. That gives you an idea how much it was in my dish. And what else? I wanted to mention that, yeah, my project of working on my weight with meals pre-made practically, and having soup in one of my meals, like, and it's not a lot, I just have a little of the soup, is helping me to go down on my weight. I was happy I went to the 200 pounds today. Believe it or not, yes, I was on a little extra than, more than that. So it's like slowly I'm getting there, and they say that it's better slowly than fast. Oh man, I have to stop to sneeze. And anyway, right now working on my planner. I finished the entry for today, watching TV. Tomorrow Sunday I work a little later, 1 hour later, so that's the reason I'm not in a hurry to go to bed. It is 7:10. I could be going to bed right now and try to sleep or read the book that I have on my Kindle, but I'm having too much fun with this, and I think I wanna also do a little more of my project of my crochet, and maybe I should show you how it's going with my crochet. I actually today in the morning I have to undo because I noticed that it was too tight. The problem about crochet is that when it has patterns, it's really tight, and that pattern can be hard to put in over your head and everything. So anyway, okay, this is done. Right now we have a wind advisory, so we have to be careful about that. Okay, let's see if I can show you what is going on here. So this is the part that I undo from where is that mark there. I have to take everything out, and as you can see, it kind of changed the style there. First I grow a little more, and then I made the sleeve bigger. I prefer to have a more loose sleeve, will not be a tight one. And this part, as you can see, it's like, I don't know if you can see how loose is, like it's more light than this that is very compact. But you cannot do this here because for crochet to have a pattern you have to use this kind of a stitch or it would not show a design. So I took the freedom to change also part of the design there. This actually changed too. It was not like this. I kind of follow what she had, but I changed a little the design. It's supposed to be 3 different lines going, but I think I like more in this way. Anyway, I will continue doing a little more, watching more videos, but this video will have to be added to the one for tomorrow because I have not done so much today, and I know that tomorrow will be kind of quiet too. So good night for now, and I see you in my Sunday.